Hi, second grade. It's Miss Butts. I hope you all are doing well today. Um, Today's word study lesson, so you will have already watched the video lesson before you do this assignment. But what you're learning today is about two different kinds of sentences, statements and questions. Um, statement is a sentence that's telling something and ends in a period. And a question is a type of sentence that requires an answer and ends with a question mark. So you guys um, should have watched that video lesson. And after you've done that, then you're going to complete this assignment. So just like the subject and predicate assignment from earlier in the week, make sure, because this is a slide presentation, that you do not have it in present mode because it won't work if you put it in present mode. So you'll get your own copy when you're done sorting everything. You'll turn it in. The first slide is definitions of the two types of sentences that I just talked about. So statements and questions. And so what you will do is you'll come down here and you will read the sentence or the definition in this blue rectangle and decide if that describes a statement or a question. And you will do that for each of these, all four of them. You'll read the definition, and either put it here under statement or question. Once you've done that, you'll click to the next slide. So this one, there's a lot that you're going to have to do on this slide. So it says which one. The instructions say the following sentences are missing their ending punctuation. Drag the boxes on the bottom to answer if the following sentences are a statement or a question. Then either put a period or question mark at the end of each sentence. Excuse me. Allergies. So you guys have these sentences here in blue, and so you see that none of them have any punctuation at the end. And so what you're going to do is you're going to read the sentence and you're going to decide if it's a statement or a question. So I went jogging yesterday. If you think it's a statement, you will drag the word statement up here and put it in this green box. And you'll see there are several underneath, so you have enough to drag for all of the sentences. Once you've done that, you're going to come over here, and where the punctuation should go, there's a text box. So you're going to come here and you might have to click it twice, and then put either a period if it's a statement or a question mark if it's a question. You're going to put the correct punctuation at the end of each sentence. So you'll see here there's a text box for each sentence. If you notice here that it doesn't line up perfectly with the sentence, and it doesn't, the question mark is a little further down here, that is okay. Don't worry about that. As long as you have the punctuation here's in the text box, don't worry about where it is. So you're going to do that for each sentence. So three things. You're going to read the sentence, decide if it's a statement or a question, drag the correct answer here, and then click on this text box and add either a period or a question mark. So that's it for this one. And then there's one more sorting slide. So this time you're given 6 sentences here at the bottom in blue. And what you're going to do is you're going to read the sentence. Hint, hint, look at the punctuation if you're struggling to decide. You're going to read the sentence and sort it. So is it a statement or is it a question? And then you will do that for all 6 of the sentences. And then you're done. Once you're done, you will come up to this corner and make sure you turn it in so your teachers can check and see your work and you can get credit for it. If you have any questions or something goes wrong and you can't get this to work, please dojo your teacher or send her a message on GoGuardian. I will be in touch with you. You guys have a good one.